You hit a goal you worked years for. For about 10 minutes, it feels good. Then you open your phone, see someone else's highlight reel, and the feeling evaporates, replaced by the sense that you're still somehow behind. The goalpost didn't move. Your reference point did. Humans evaluate their own progress in a gentle, almost entirely in relation to other people. In twice before eingerichtet. It's how the brain has always measured safety and status, because "am I doing okay" used to mean "am I doing okay" compared to the tribe around me. The problem is, the tribe used to be 20 people you actually knew. Now it's an algorithmically curated feed of millions of people's best possible moments, updated every scroll. You're not comparing your life to their life. You're comparing your unfiltered, ordinary Tuesday to their carefully selected best 5 seconds of the year. That comparison was rigged before it started. Not because they're lying, but because nobody posts the boring, uncertain, in-between parts, which is where almost all of life actually happens. Measuring yourself against a highlight reel will always produce a deficit, because a highlight reel has no deficits by design. It's not that people didn't compare themselves before social media. They did. But the sample size was small and local. Now the comparison set is infinite, which means there is mathematically always someone further ahead on any axis you pick. Money, body, relationship, career, no matter how far you've come. Chasing a finish line that resets every time you glance sideways isn't a personal failure. It's the predictable result of an unlimited reference group. You don't fix this by comparing less in general. That's nearly impossible now. Instead, try this. Change what you compare against. Measure today's you against last year's you, not against a stranger's edited highlight reel. That's the only comparison with a fair, complete data set. You were never actually behind. You were just using the wrong ruler. If you've ever felt behind right after a win, subscribe. Next week, why you keep reliving the same relationship with different people.